Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy at your homes. I am your social studies teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your social study class. My dear students, as you know that today we will start unit number 1, citizenship, and I'm going to give you a complete introduction of this unit. We have already studied citizenship in grade 4, and you are well aware of what is a citizen, what is global citizenship, what is digital citizenship. So today we will start with the what we will going to learn in this unit. The key to flourishing society and maintaining peace can only be possible when we rightfully treat everyone. As a citizen of a country, we must know our rights and responsibilities to fulfill them in true essence. In this unit, you will learn all such aspects that will help you to play your part in the betterment of society and a country without hurting anyone's space. So my dear students, we also discussed in the previous classes, we also discussed about tolerance, diversity, and accepting each other's point of views and respecting each other's religion, their point of view, their privacy. So again, how to make this country, your living space, your community, your neighborhood a better place, we will going to study about that, about your rights and about your responsibilities. So my dear students, let's quickly move forward towards page number 5, where all the objectives which we will learn in this unit are written. These are for the parents and the teachers to understand. One by one, I will tell you that when I will introduce you with all the lectures, I will tell you the objectives in detail. So now let's move forward. When we will start lecture number 1, the objective that will be covered is identify civic rights and responsibilities and the reasons why they may change over time. So in this lecture, we will only talk about civic rights. And the page that is included is page number 6. Then we will move forward towards lecture 2. So here the same objective is written, identify civic rights and responsibilities. We have already covered rights and civic rights. Now we will talk about the civic responsibilities that a citizen has and the reasons why they may change. This will be discussed in the next lecture. So the page that is included is page number 7. So in first 2 lectures, we will talk about in detail civic rights and then civic responsibilities, क्योंकि आपके कुछ rights भी हैं as a citizen और आपकी कुछ responsibilities भी हैं as a citizen. We will discuss that in lecture number 1 and lecture number 2 in detail. Then we will move forward towards lecture number 3. So in lecture number 3, a project will be done, project number 1. And we will make a mind map in this project. So you will thoroughly enjoy this lecture. Then we will move forward towards lecture number 4. And the page that is included is page number 7. And let's quickly look at the objective. Identify civic rights and responsibilities. We have already covered it lecture number 1 and lecture number 2. And the reason why they may change over time. Okay. So we will talk about कि कैसे आपकी responsibilities जो हैं वो with time change हो जाती हैं. जब आप छोटे होते हैं आपकी different होती हैं responsibilities. When you start to grow up तो आपकी responsibilities change हो जाती हैं. You can, I will just give you a small example. आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज कुछ और हैं, आपके पेरेंट्स की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज कुछ और हैं. सो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज चेंज ओवर टाइम. वी विल टॉक अबाउट दैट इन लेक्चर नंबर 4. द पेज दैट इज इंक्लूडेड इज पेज नंबर 7. नाउ वी विल मूव फॉरवर्ड टुवर्ड्स लेक्चर नंबर 5. द पेज इंक्लूडेड इज पेज नंबर 8 एंड we will recognize the ethics of being digital citizens when connected online and how to deal with difference of opinion. So my dear students, आप जब digitally connect करते हैं, आप different ways of communication use कर रहे हैं, internet use करते हैं, आप Twitter use करते हैं, Facebook, these are all means of digital communication and that's how you become a digital citizen. और इसके क्या ethics हैं इसको use करने के, are you using it in a positive way? This will be discussed in lecture number 5 and we will also discuss कि जब आप किसी दूसरे से connect करते हैं, when you connect to an other person on digital platform, तो वहाँ पे एक दूसरे की पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू को कैसे रिस्पेक्ट किया जाता है, कैसे उसको एक्सेप्ट किया जाता है, कैसे टॉलरेट किया जाता है. नाउ लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड टुवर्ड्स लेक्चर नंबर 6. The objective that will be covered here is identify the fundamental human rights as stated by UN Charter. So my dear students, this is given on this will be done on page number 9. So my dear students, हमने fundamental human rights के बारे में पढ़ा था in grade 4. अब हम पढ़ेंगे कि कैसे UN Charter के according जो fundamental human rights हैं वो क्या हैं, क्या points हैं उनके, और कैसे जो तमाम human beings हैं उनके similar rights हैं, और this will be covered in lecture number 6. Now we will move forward towards lecture number 7. So the page that will be included from your book is page number 10, and the student learning outcome is understand that all the individuals have equal rights irrespective of religious and ethnic differences, and learn to respect individual differences in opinion. So my dear students, यहाँ पे हम पढ़ेंगे कि जितने भी human beings हैं उनके same rights हैं, चाहे वो किसी भी background से ताल्लुक़ रखते हों, वो किसी भी religion से ताल्लुक़ रखते हों, they have similar rights. ठीक है, और कैसे आप एक दूसरे की opinion को respect करेंगे, accept करेंगे एक दूसरे को, this will be covered in lecture number 7. Now we will move forward towards lecture number 8. So the objective that will be covered in lecture number 8 is explain the importance of freedom of speech. आप कैसे आज़ाद तरीके से बात कर सकते हैं, और क्या इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस है कि जब आप अपनी आज़ादाना राय देते हैं, आप खुल के बात करते हैं, तो what is its importance, that will be explained in lecture number 8, and the reading page that is included is page number 11. Now we will move forward towards lecture number 9, and the objective that will be covered in lecture number 9 is understand the importance of discussion and negotiation as tools for resolving conflicts at home and school. So my dear students, the reading page that is included is page number 12, and we will discuss about different ways of discussion and its benefits. कि जब भी आपका झगड़ा हो जाता है, लड़ाई हो जाती है, तो उसको peacefully resolve करने का there is one way, and that is discussion. Sit down and talk, and then you can peacefully resolve all your conflicts and your problems. Then we will move forward towards lecture number 10. Page included is page number 13, and let's talk about the objective. Propose ways to create peace and harmony. Okay, my dear students, जब भी कोई झगड़ा होता है या disagreement होता है, हम वहाँ पे we said that we have to do the discussion and we can peacefully resolve it. अब peace को और harmony को कैसे आप maintain कर सकते हैं कि conflict और disagreement जो है वो minimum हो जाए. So we will propose different ways of peace and harmony, how to maintain it in the society, in the country, globally हम इसे कैसे maintain कर सकते हैं. We will discuss about that in lecture number 10. Now we will move forward towards lecture number 11. A project will be done, project number 3. It is given on page number 14, and we will give different solutions for solving a conflict and to maintain peace, and we will do a project on that. You will thoroughly enjoy it. Now let's move forward towards lecture number 12, given on page number 14. The objective that will be covered here is recognize and practice common etiquettes in the civilized world of today. So my dear students, हमने previous classes में भी discuss किया था कि common etiquettes जो होते हैं वो हर इंसान के अंदर होने चाहिए, which are good manners. ठीक है, ये हमें हमारे दीन ने भी सिखाया है, हमें इस्लाम में भी बताया गया है, नबी पाक सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने हमें करके दिखाया है कि कैसे गुड मैनर्स जो हैं वो हमें डेली बेसिस के ऊपर बेनिफिट करते हैं. तो दिस विल बी डिस्कस्ड कि कैसे उनको प्रैक्टिस किया जाए, कैसे आप उनको अपने अंदर अपनी हैबिट्स के अंदर उनको डेवलप कर सकते हैं. दिस विल बी डन इन लेक्चर नंबर 12. द पेज इंक्लूडेड इज पेज नंबर 14. And from here we will move forward towards lecture number 13, which will be a complete review of the full unit, unit number 1. And by the end of this lesson, I will give you an assessment to assess you कि आपने क्या क्या सीखा इस unit से. So my dear students, we will definitely enjoy this unit. You will love it. I hope. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day and Allah Hafiz.